Nice deep breaths now.
That was intense.
You did great. That'll straighten you out. What'd you feel?
Felt almost all of it in the lower. A little bit in the top, but almost 90% of it was just the pull down in the lower back.
That's exactly where you needed it the most. That's where you had the most compression. I'm gonna help you up here. Face the mirror. And before you drive back to Hanford, I want you to take a 10-minute walk.
Okay.
That's a long drive. And I want you to split up that drive midway and take another walk. The reason for that is when you sit, sitting is very compressive for the lower back. So we decompress this area with this ring data. So by walking, it gets more blood flow and hydration into those discs. So you're not just squishing them down. This is exactly what you needed because you started to feel like your body was headed in that direction where it was going to be painful all the time. Just a lot of it was just moderate stiffness in your neck and in your lower back especially. All right?
Perfect.
Right.
Appreciate your help.
I appreciate you too. Thanks for making the trip. 4 hours.
Yeah. Worth it.